in Eza, tiny but stunning medieval village between Nice and Monaco. Today I will take you to lunch at Château Eza, one Michelin star restaurant literally built onto the cliff and has a ridiculously beautiful view of the French Riviera. I saw this restaurant on Offline Love, a super cute and cozy Japanese dating show based in Nice. This was one of their date spots, and when I saw the place, I knew I just had to experience it myself. It's actually really hard to find because they didn't drop the name of the restaurant. Also, as is built fortress style on a cliff. It's got all these vibey, cute stone street that goes up, and there are a couple of different ocean view restaurants along the way. And to be on the safe side, we booked the one right at the top because I really wanted to experience dining on a balcony and overlooking the ocean. Here we are in Château Eza. When we walked in, the waiter casually said, "Welcome to the best view of the French Riviera." And at first I was like, cool line, but honestly I understood it the second I sat down. It was out of this world. We got their 3-course service. So they had 2 choices for each course, and Josh and I just got one each. Our cutesy bread course looks very charred, crusty. We have our amuse-bouche, dashi lemon situation. I'm surprised they didn't use yuzu. Very nice. Lots of umami. Very amused. Entrees are full-on tomato spread. This beautiful tomato. This is tomato water. And this is tomato sorbet. Wait, so she said this first. Tomato water first. Oh, it's this green thing on the inside. I'm just gonna go in with this whole spoon. It's like a tomato herb explosion. It just like melts. This is really up your alley.
Infused with green apple and fennel.
Josh got a little sardine seafood medley situation. It's really cute. I'm taking a fork full of everything that's on Josh's plate. Whoa, I didn't expect the hazelnut. It's insane. That's really weird. It's like the ocean. In your mouth. My little tomato thing's melting in the sun. Cheesy creamy with fennel. I usually really don't like stuff like that, but this is like so good. A little savory sorbet. Really refreshing. It's cold. There's like this cruise that's just parked there.
It is a roasted chicken, nourishing with artichoke and Iberico ham. To enjoy, to serve the fishbone juice infused with, you have white wine, and this one is a crispy artichoke.
Iberico ham. Layers of nori in it. Very interesting. Oh, there's like so much flavor. This is the corn. Okay, I think the cod could be more tender, but the flavor is really good. Brussels sprout. Really yummy. Nice and acidic and roasted in the
To enjoy, to serve with a Gyrol cream infused with chicken stock and a touch of spice. Enjoy.
I'm trying Josh's palette with caramelized egg. It's on the sour side. It's nice though, like yeah, it's yummy. Cha. Even though your one looks more like matcha. Really are into their raspberries here. It's like everything has a bit of raspberry in it. Very nice. Very fragrant. Oh, this is nice. I can really taste the fragrant herby flavor.
Candy cheese.
Try Josh's candy shiso situation. Chocolate. Lovely. That's really good. Yeah, it's very like complex, delicate. Overall, the whole experience was elegant, thoughtful, and very calm. What I really appreciated about the meal was that they served it really slowly. This way the view becomes a part of the meal almost. You take a bite and you just stare out into sea for a bit. The setting was so calm and serene. I felt like I could finally relax. Oh, and did I mention we were on this tiny balcony with 4 other tables? So it was a very intimate, almost exclusive setting that was very cool to experience. Château Eza is actually a hotel restaurant. We didn't know, but we found out because there was an old couple that came up for a drink and a light lunch before checking in. That was goals, and I definitely want to do that someday. If you want a slow, beautiful lunch with the best views of the French Riviera, quoting my favorite waiter, Château Eza will really deliver. After lunch, we took a stroll through the beautiful town and kind of just, because we rushed up, we were a bit late for our reservation, so we legged it up to the top really fast, and we didn't really get to see much around us, but we really took our time exploring and wandering down, and also took lots of cute photos on the way. Found some cute magnets. They're really cute. They're like nice and green. Let's get one. Little chair. They're going to the garden. Up. It's the cool garden, but it's way too sunny, so we're gonna abort. Looks cool though if you have sun gear. We're trying to see what the view is like behind these woods. It looks really nice. Look, ta-da! We are doing the Fragonard factory tour. It's free, right? I think I can film in there, but I'll let you guys know as well. Alright, so we did the tour. That was pretty fun. If you like perfume and wonder how it's made, and it was pretty interactive as well. So sniff different stuff. It's like a cute little fun activity, fun free activity to do in Ez. And then you also want to go through the gift shop, and I think they sell their stuff at like factory prices, which is pretty decent. We weren't a fan of any of the fragrances, so we didn't buy any. It'd be a good place to pick up some nice souvenirs. And now we are heading back. Driving out, and the view is